So you just got a new tattoo, or you might be thinking about getting one. Here I'm gonna give you really simple steps in how to take care of your tattoo so it heals great and stays looking awesome. First thing, listen to your tattoo artist. They know better. They know how your skin reacts and they know the work they did, so always listen to their advice. Everyone's skin is different, so always follow their instructions. After a few hours, take off the bandage that your artist put on your tattoo. After you take it off, make sure you wash it with warm water. Don't use any scented soap. This will help reduce any irritation. No scrubbing. Use your hand gently, and whenever you come out of the shower or you finish cleaning it, you can pat it dry with a clean paper towel. Next, moisturize. Use something gentle like cocoa butter if you're in the UK, Aquaphor if you are in the US, or any tattoo lotion recommended by your artist. Just use a tiny bit. You don't need too much. It's better to apply more if you need it. Now, here's what not to do. Don't scratch it, don't pick at it, don't soak it in water, take long baths or swimming or hot tubs, and remember to always keep it out of the sun. Take care of yourself too. Drink water, eat good. Your skin heals better when you're healthy. If your tattoo gets really red, puffy, and it starts leaking weird stuff, it might be infected. Don't mess around and go straight away and talk to your doctor. I would also avoid to do any crazy exercise for the following 2 weeks after you get your tattoo done, because it could lead to infection. Usually every artist will give you an aftercare, so if your artist didn't do that, make sure to contact them and ask them for their advice. Keep it clean, keep it moisturized, and be patient. In a few weeks your tattoo will be fully healed and looking amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.